विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज्ड फॉर फर्टिलाइजर? अजोला, ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी, अल्फला। ये हो जाएगा 1 और 2, अजोला, ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी। इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं। Biofertilizers are defined as a preparations containing living cells or latent cells of efficient strains of the microorganisms that help crop plants and uptake of nutrients by their interactions in the rhizosphere. When applied through a seed or soil, they accelerate certain microbial processes in the soil, which uh, augment the extent of availability of nutrients in the form of easily. They can be grouped in different ways based on their nature and functions. Nitrogen fixing biofertilizer: Azotobacter bacteria, Clostridium Klebsiella, Anabina, Nostoc, Rhizobium frankia, Anubina, Azolla. Phosphorus solubility mobilizing fertilizers: Bacillus megatherium var phosphaticum. Biofertilizer is for macronutrients: Bacillus plant growth promoting rhizobacteria, Pseudomonas fluorescens. Cyanobacteria, Bruglin algae, and Azolla are used as the biofertilizer. However, alfalfa, alfal, alfalfa, क्या है यार? Alfala, alfalfa is perennial flowering plant of the pea family. Alfalfa is the perennial flowering plant of the pea family. Question number 2. Which of the following are used as biofertilizer? Select the correct answer from the code given below. Azolla, ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी तो है, 1 और 2 तो है ही, तो नेट्रोलियन है नहीं। 1 2 4 1 और 2 है, ये नेट्रोलियन भी नहीं होगा। अजोला है, ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग यूज बायो फर्टिलाइजर? ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी, राइजोबियम, अजोला, सब है, ऑल ऑफ दीज. Rhizobium, Ularian algae, Cyanobacteria, and Azolla, and are used for they help nitrogen fixation. Question number 4. Which of the following denote nitrogen fixation organisms? Nostocs, Anabina, Azobacter, Macrorhiza. So Macrorhiza, Nostoc, Anabija, Azobacter, Azotobacter are nitrogen fixation organisms. Well, Macrorhiza is the symbiotic association between fungus and plant. Which of the following is source of biofertilizers? Azolla. Azolla has the capability of nitrogen fixation. That's why it is being widely used as a fertilizer, especially in parts of the Southeast Asia. Which of the following is biofertilizer? Azolla. Biofertilizer is Azolla. Question 7. Biofertilizer is used as a supplementary food for the cattle, especially for making bovines, is Azolla. Azolla. The biofertilizer used as a supplementary food for the cattle, especially for milking bovines, is Azolla. The demand for milk and meat in India is creating a new potential in profitability of animal husbandry as an occupation. At some time, there is a substantial decline in fodder availability. The search of plant, which holds the promise of providing a sustainable food for livestock. Azolla in turn provides development of algae. It is the unique symbiotic relationship that makes Azolla a wonderful plant with a high protein content. Question number 8. Nitrogen fixing bacteria make combination with cells of the roots of pulsage. Nitrogen fixing bacteria make combination with cell of roots of pulsage. Generally, the nitrogen fixing bacteria are found in the roots of legumes in a special structure called root nodules. Which of the these is not correctly matched? Blue green algae ये fertilizer है, 4 शैपा माहो कंट्रोल है, बायो 902 वैरायटी ऑफ मस्टर्ड है, अजोटोबैक्टर ये भी क्या है बायो फर्टिलाइजर है, लेकिन बायो इंसेक्टिसाइड्स नहीं है। अजोटोबैक्टर बैक्टीरिया, अजोटोबैक्टर नेचुरली फिक्शन एटमोस्फेयर spheres, the zone surrounding the roots of plants. So, question 10. Which of the following associated with biological fiction? Blue-green algae. Blue-green algae is called cyanobacteria. It is associated with biological nitrogen fixation. Blue-green algae are chiefly used as biofertilizer in crop of paddy. Blue-green algae is chiefly used as biofertilizer in the crop of paddy. Cyanobacteria, a blue-green algae, is example of biofertilizer which helps fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Blue-green algae are mainly used as biofertilizer in the crop paddy. Blue algae used for the nitrogen of paddy. Question 13. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Blue-green algae, paddy ये सही है, Rhizobium legis ये भी सही है, Azobacter wheat ये भी सही, Azolla maize. Azolla Annabia mostoc blue-green algae etc promote nitrogen fixation in paddy harvesting. अजोला भी क्या करता है, पैडी का ही काम करता है. द वर्क एज ऑर्गेनिक फर्टिलाइजर्स, रेजोबियम लेग्यूमिनेशियरम इन अ पी एंड अजोटोबैक्टर विथ प्रमोशन नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. जनरली अजोला इज नॉट यूज फॉर नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन वेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. अजोला गिव अ गुड फर्टिलाइजर व्हेन मिक्स्ड विद ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी. अजोला इज एन एक्वाटिक फॉर्म इन गिव गुड फर्टिलाइजर व्हेन मिक्स्ड विद ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी or cyanobacteria and contribute a supplying nitrogen to rice field. In addition, they also bring about directly or indirectly a number of physical, chemical and biological properties of the soil and soil water interface in rice fields. Question 15. Azolla is often used as biofertilizer because it is associated with blue-green algae. Azolla is a aquatic form. Question number 17. Aquatic form which is used as biofertilizer by Azolla. Question number 18. Which of the following microorganisms are used as biofertilizers? साइनोबैक्टीरिया जिसे ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी बोलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फॉस्फेटिक बायोफर्टिलाइजर ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी. सॉरी ऑप्शन है रेजोबियम, ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी, अजोला, वस्कुलर अर्बुस्क्यूलर मैक्रोरीजा. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फॉस्फेटिक बायोफर्टिलाइजर. फॉस्फेटिक बायोफर्टिलाइजर में हो जाएगा वस्कुलर arbuscular macrorhiza. Ribosium, blue-green algae, and Azolla help in nitrogen fixation, while vascular arbuscular macrorhiza help it uptake to phosphorus by the plants and hence it is phosphatic biofertilizer. Vascular arbuscular macrorhiza fungi benefit their host plant by improving the uptake of water, minerals and particularly the poorly mobile in phosphorus in the soil. It also increase the plant's resistance against the pathogens and improve their plant tolerance to environmental stress such as drought. Question number 20. What is the use of biochar in farming? Biochar can be used as a part of growing medium in vertical farming. When biochar is a part of growing medium, it promotes the growth of nitrogen fixing microorganisms. With biochar is a part of growing medium, it enables the growing medium to retain water of long time. इसका 1, 2, 3 ये सब सही है. Biochar can be used as a part of growing medium in vertical farming. When biochar is a part of the growing medium, it promotes the growing of pathogen fixing microorganism. When biochar is a part of growing medium, it enables the growing medium to retain water for longer time. Question number इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं. बायोकार इज ए स्टेबल कार्बन रिच फॉर्म ऑफ carocal that is applied to the soil. It is produced from heating organic materials like crop waste, grass, wood chips and manure in a high temperature, low oxygen process known as pyrolysis. Biochar can be used as a part of the growing medium in vertical farming. Adding biochar to soil increasing its carbon content and can mitigate greenhouse gas emission. Some biocars can improve soil fertility, water holding capacity, and crop productivity. Research shows that biocars derived from grasses or crops appear to have best balance of the agriculture benefit and carbon stability. Some studies also show that increasing the application rate of biocar has a positive feedback on biological nitrogen fixation. Soil microbial biomass. The extremely porous nature of biochar is found to be defective or retaining both water and water soluble nutrients, and it is very much suitable as the habitat for many beneficial soil microorganisms from the above explanation. All of the given statement सभी जो है सब सही है. Question 21. The capability of nitrogen use efficient can be increased in crop production by use of split application, use of nitrogen enablement, using of slow release of nitrogen fertilizer. All of the above. The capability of nitrogen use efficient can be increased by all of the given options. Frequent use of fertilizer in the split application used by nitrogen inhibitors and by using the slow release nitrogen fertilizer. There are various bacteria in various crops which are liable for nitrogen stabilization. Question number 20. Which of the following responsible for nitrogen fixation in soybean? Rhizobium leguminosarum, Rhizobium japonicum. यही हो ना जापानिकम. The Rhizobium japonicum bacteria is responsible for nitrogen fixation in soybean. Soybean inoculated with Rhizobium japonicum strains the synthesize the heterogeneous system fix significant more nitrogen. Leg hemoglobin is found in human blood, rabbit blood, legume rot, chicken blood. ये rabbit blood. Leg hemoglobin is found in rabbit blood. Sorry, legume rot root nodules. Legume root nodules. Leg hemoglobin found in legume root nodules. Leg hemoglobin found in the root nodules of leguminous plants such as alfalfa and soybean. It is crucial for supplying sufficient oxygen to root nodule bacteria nitrogen fixation to occur.